See Sarah. You know that Sarah now?
I know Sarah now.
Hey, that girl that day.
Yeah.
You know what happened?
I don't know.
She make her send her 5K.
Carry
I said make her send 5K for them. I enter WhatsApp, send K into 5.
Jesus!
I didn't mad.
In the bag. I mean, go in the bag. Everybody, okay, why are you like this? Why are you like this? Just 5K that acts of eh? They are sending me K. What's the name of that one now? Aka. God.
When do you talk, Sam?
Okay, go shake body now. Shake body.
As this guy. Shake body.
Oh yeah, shake body. Oh yeah, move body.
Jesus is Lord.
Make you ring alarm.
No, let me fuck up.
Oh yeah, shake body.